Hello everyone and welcome back to part 7 on how to create a Among Us type game on Roblox. So let's start. Alright, so firstly delete everything that's in our main script. We'll remake it so we can end the game when the imposter wins and give him some cash, and end the game if the imposter left and everything like that. So local, not this, local module is equal to require script find with child functions. Local status is equal to game dot replicate storage with child status local time 1 is equal to 10. This is time 1 is going to be our intermission time. Local time 2 is equal to 20, and then we will create a while loop. While true do status dot value is equal to for players needed, and repeat wait .1 until game dot players dot num players is greater or equal than 4. Okay, so after that we'll create a table for all of the players in the game. Local players is equal to an empty table, and for I comma v in pairs game dot players get players, not get children, get players do if v, then table dot insert players comma v. Okay, so now we inserted the players. After that we will teleport them. So for I comma v in pairs, actually no, we'll create a variable for the map. Local map is equal to workspace dot map local tp part is equal to map wait for child find for child tp part, and then we will create a intermission system. For I is equal to time 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 do status dot value is equal to starting in space dot I. We're gonna wait 1, and then we'll teleport the players. For I comma v in pairs players do if v, then we'll do local character is equal to v dot character if character, then character dot humanoid root part dot cframe is equal to tp part dot cframe, else table dot remove players comma I. Okay, so now we will create a intermission game length system. For I is equal to time 2 comma 0 comma minus 1 do status dot value is equal to I dot space seconds left, and then for index comma v in pairs players do. If v, then if local character is equal to v dot character, and then go back to this for loop right here where we teleport the players, and then we're gonna create a in-game value. Local in-game is equal to instance.new. Let's make it a int value. We're gonna parent it to the player. No, we're gonna parent it to character, and then in-game dot name is equal to in-game. So we're done with that. In-game, let's put it with a capital G, capital I, and after that we will check if character find first child in game, then we won't do anything else. If not character, then table dot remove players comma index, and then we'll go to this no, not this end. We'll go to it's this end. We'll put a if hashtag players is less or equal than 1 for testing. You have to set it to 3, since if there are 3 players in the game. Since we're making an Among Us type game, it won't be fun. It won't be playable. They will know who's the imposter and who isn't. So if hashtag players is less or equal to 3, I'm just gonna put it to 1 just for testing, since I can't start a 3 players server. That will take a lot of time. But you have to set it to 3. But if you want to test it, set it to 1. And also, just for testing, I'm gonna set this to 2 for now. And also, you have to set it to 4. If hashtag players is less or equal to 1, then break the for loop. Okay, so now we will wait 1 second here, and after that we will teleport the players back. So for I comma v in pairs game dot players get players if v, then actually just copy this. Oh no, we're not gonna be copying it. If v, then local character is equal to v dot character. If character, then character dot humanoid root part root part dot cframe is equal to tp part is equal to workspace dot. Let's make a lobby. This is going to be my lobby. I'll group it and put a spawn location inside of it and rename it to lobby, and re-enter our main script and write workspace dot lobby dot spawn location dot cframe, and that's going to be it, I think. Let's see if that's working. Actually, before we do that, what I did here in the functions module, I deleted all of the other functions and I only let the module.choseImposter function, and that's all what I did. So yeah, make sure you do this. Just to remove the other functions, because before we had a function, we had something like this: function module.tp players back, and we have something here, some stuff here. Just delete those functions and let the choose imposter function. And after doing that, we'll call the choose imposter function here. After tp in the players, tp bar.cframe. Okay, so let's call it here, module.choseImposter. That should be working. And then inside of here we will clear if character, then if character confined first child, if character confined first child classic sword. What did we name it? What it's called? It's called classic sword with no space. Classic sword. Then v confined first, no, character confined first child classic sword destroy. And if v, then if v dot backpack confined first child classic sword, then v dot backpack clear all children. Clear all children. So we're done with that, and let's see if our script is working. Let's make sure that everything is good. I think we're good to go, so let's test this. Let's start a 2-player server. We don't have any errors yet. This error is just let me show you. This error is just from a plugin. I don't really know why I have this error in every single game I make, even though it does not have any scripts on it. Just weird. Okay, so it's starting in 1 4 0, and it's not actually working. So let's see. I think we have an error. Okay, humanoid. Oh, I wrote humanoid, not humanoid. It has an A here. Humanoid. I forgot to add a here. Okay, so let's clean up. And let's change this to humanoid root part. And make sure that we wrote here humanoid. Oh, I did the exact same error. Humanoid root part. Let's start another 2-player server. Loading. As I said, this error is not from any script we have. it's just from a plugin or something like that. Okay, so I hope it works this time. Please teleport us. Okay, so I'm a crewmate and he's the imposter. Let's try to let the round end and see if it teleports us back. 8 seconds left. 6 seconds left, 5 seconds left, 4 seconds left, 3 seconds left, 2 seconds left, 1 second left. And it teleported us back, and now I'm gonna try to kill the crewmate to see if it ends the round. It should end the round. At least here it should. And let's try killing this guy, and it didn't end the round, so I don't know why that is though. Let's see if we have any errors. We don't have any errors, but it doesn't end the round. Why? Let's try to do that again. Let's see if it's just a bug or it's a script. Let's equip the sword, and that is loud. Let's kill him, and he got teleported back here. So let's try to fix that. If hashtag players is table.remove players, comma I think we should put players, comma v. Again, I think. Wait, let me test it with one player first. I'm gonna try to reset after that. Okay, so it's actually working. I got teleported back here. So if actually it's not. Let me change this to 0 since I'm testing it with one player. I still don't know why I have this error. 20 seconds left, so it should remove me from the table if I die. Okay, I think it's not removing the player from the table. If not character, then wait, did I check if oh, I know why. If character can't start in game, then else if not character, then just put a table.remove. And let's format this, format document, and see if it works. Let's try to reset our character. Don't have any errors. Okay, so that worked. I'm really happy that that works. Let's change it back to 1 and change this to 2 and test it with 2 players. It's loaded in. So I'm the imposter on player 1 is the imposter. Let's try to kill player 2 and the round should end. Okay, so the round ended and all we have to do is to remove the dead bodies. We just have to look through the workspace and clear all of the dead bodies. Let's do that right now. So let me think of this. It's not character then. Pairs. Let's look through the workspace for I, v in pairs. Let's put here for index v in pairs. Workspace get children. Do if v dot name is equal to body, then we will destroy v. So v destroy. This should be working. Let's test it with only one player for now. Let's change this to 1 and start playing the game. "20 seconds left." If I go ahead and reset, as you can see, my body is, where is it? Oh, it deletes it. Great. As you can see, when I reset, I will drop a body. You saw a body right there. So that's working. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.